guys, running Kimono. It is a beautiful fall day here. Look, the tree is almost out of leaves. A bit of snow today, and then it just all disappeared. Hi to my mom if she's watching. Hope she's having a great day. It is intensely sunny, so I am going to add a little bit more shade to my haul. Not that it needs any shade, but you know, I hate that cutting light. Okay, so we have a couple stores today, including Walgreens, Big Lots, Ulta, and Bath and Body Works. So this morning I made a video for the matchups for Walgreens, and there were a couple deals that that popped up, and I was like, I really want to go and test them out because one is like a $3 money maker and some really good deals. Okay, so the first one was with this, the BIC Soleil razors. These are on a buy one get one 50% off. When you buy 2 of them, you get back 2,000 points. Plus, IBOTTA has $6 back when you buy 2. So that's really great. And these are fancier razors. So jogging through the math here, 2 of them is $10.18 on a BOGO 50% off. I presented 2 $3 coupons from the Smart Source of October the 4th. That shaved off $6 right there. I had to pay $4.18 out of pocket. I basically used some points. And then I got back 2,000 points, got back also $6 back from IBOTTA, making this free plus a $3.82 moneymaker. Before I uploaded my receipt, I noticed there was a thing that said 5 days and this thing will vanish into outer space. So do it sooner than later or do it by Sunday. I know a lot of you want to do it on Sunday. So this is either a today or a Sunday deal. And always check your IBOTTA account to make sure that it's still there. And then this little sweet treat, this guy was $1.39. I'm hoping that on Sunday, this will be part of the 2 for $1 because there's a candy sale taking place. Shopkick has 250 points back when you buy this, which is basically $1, so it shakes this guy out to 39 cents. But hopefully this will be part of the single serve candy, making it a freebie when you buy 2 of them with the Shopkick app on Sunday. Okay, so I know a lot of you have been having a lot of trouble with your P&G coupons not scanning. I did a deal on Sunday. I had no issues at the store with the coupon scanning. And then I wanted to do it again today because just to see, like, am I gonna have problems? Am I not gonna have problems? Because a lot of you are having problems. So I'm like, oh, I'll just give it a shot. So I grabbed 2 bags of the Tide Pods, Free and Clear or Free and Gentle, and then 2 of the scented Tides. They are $4.99 a pop, so for 4 of them, that's $19.96. I had 2 $2 coupons from the October P&G for both the Tide Pod and then the detergent. Plus on P&G Good Everyday, I was able to print out 2 $2 coupons for both products. That is a trickier website where the coupons will expire within like 24 hours. So I printed them like early this afternoon and then used them. No issues. No issues scanning the internet printables. No issues scanning the October P&G coupons, which was kind of mysterious and weird. So anyhow, after everything was said and done, the new total is $11.96. I used 10,000 points. I paid $1.96 and got back my register reward. So I'm not sure if it's a system update, what they're doing, but something definitely goofy is taking place. So just play this one by ear. Hopefully the cashiers will key them in. They can, and they'll know that the coupons are legit. But something is going on too, guys, because many people are reporting the same thing, that not scanning properly, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. And For whatever reason at checkout, they're really trying to promote that Hallmark products are on Walgreens.com and that, you know, you can pick it up through a drive-through, and just this little card was a freebie, and it was just like exclusively for Walgreens. They were just handing it out to all the customers, so I got a free little card. How nice is that? So just a very successful trip to Walgreens today, and the promotion for next week is buy 3, get 1 for free. This week is buy 4, get $6 register reward. And the October P&G coupons are still valid, and then check P&G Good every day if you might have some printables starting on Sunday for Tide Pods or the liquid or the fabric softener. So that was Walgreens. Very delighted with this haul. So over at Big Lots, this deal is taking place right up until Sunday the 18th. This company, it's called Kanuki. 5 masks, adult size, and it's completely free. So if you have a Big Lots store card, the coupon is automatically loaded to your store card. The cashier will scan it, and you will get this item totally for free. Where I specifically found this guy in the store is when you walk into the store, you know, near the tills, they have like a display with some shelves of like, here's some hand sanitizer, here's some masks. So this is $3 on the nose, and it's a freebie with that, you know, free item. So Big Lots is really, really stepping it up. And usually what they do is between now right till Christmas, there will be free items every Friday. And I love it when they do that. Last year they had movies, boxes of cereal, the hand sanitizer and Christmas lights. They're really stepping it up, and it's really nice for customers when they do that. So loving this. My HelloFresh box earlier this week, and I want to share the different items that were in the box, including this beautiful burger, some pasta. We had this for dinner last night. It was really good. And then this guy, which is always a favorite in our household. HelloFresh is a food subscription box. You can try it just the one time and then, you know, deactivate your account, or just you cancel it after your first box. So if you want to use my coupon code in the notes, it would make your first box $20 with free shipping, and the boxes are usually closer to 60 bucks. But even paying $20 per meal, it's like 10 steps above Applebee's. And being at home so much, my husband and I haven't been into a restaurant since last January. So this is just a really nice treat. And even if we would go and order like Chinese or any sort of takeout food, it would probably cost $60 minimum, you know? So this is just really fantastic. And it's actually made us both better cooks too, because we follow this. And these recipes are curated by professional chefs. So if you're interested, please check out the link in the notes. $40 off your first box, 20 bucks with the shipping included. You might end up in my program where you just use this forever because it's so flippin' good. So if you're interested, check it out. That burger was also amazing. Okay guys, so I never really talk about Ulta. Sometimes I'll go in there and buy the odd thing, but apparently this year I've been buying a lot of stuff there. And I actually had a $10 coupon sent to me through email, and it was like, oh, there's some dirt on there or something. I wonder if that's COVID-19 right there. Oh, it's under the sticker. Still looks unsanitary. Okay. All right, so over at Ulta, I went into the store today because I had a free perk. When you have your birthday, you get a free item. This is a full-size mascara by Tarte, and I was kind of shocked because usually, you know, they hand you 2 of those like tiny itty-bitty samples, but this is like a full-size mascara. It's super cute, and I'm definitely going to enjoy using this. So like, how nice. You just have to sign up for their program in store or online. And then I also had a $10 off coupon, so I didn't have to buy anything. I could just pick up anything that was $10 or more, and I would get $10 off my trip. And I picked up these 2. They were $6 each. So for 2 of them, that was $12. And then I used the $10 coupon and paid $2 for this whole haul, which is fantastic. Now, the last couple of years, I've never received a $10 coupon. The cashier who was helping me was like, yeah, everybody gets it. And then she's like, do you need to know about our program? I was like, sure. And she handed me this, but see, just being a member, you don't get that $10 birthday coupon. But if you're platinum, you get the $10 birthday coupon. So I must have spent enough in the last calendar year that I, you know, got platinum or something like that. I mean, I love shopping at Ulta, but I have not been shopping at Sephora at all. I just find their stuff, I don't know, I just haven't been into it. But Ulta, not a problem. But if you use your gift cards from the different apps, I mean, you probably can get there really quickly, and a $10, I was like shocked. So I was really happy with that. So I got 2 sparkling lemon hand soaps. This is one of my favorite. I like the one that's like pomegranate, but not able to find that one today, so I got the second best thing. So definitely, if you have an Ulta near you, even if you sign up for this program, you can still get the birthday freebie once a year. And then the more you shop, the more you'll get these, you know, member, platinum, diamond, and you'll look like this lady by the end. The last store that we have is Bath and Body Works. And they had an email that went out this morning, and hopefully if you're a member with them, you are a part of the email list, and you also get the home mailers. I received a home mailer recently where it was like a 20% off your purchase plus a free item, which was this little chintzy hand lotion, but hey, it's better than a kick in the pants. Now, the promotion that they're having, I believe it's all weekend long on these 3-wick candles that are pretty sizable. They are buy one, get one free, and the price is $24.50. So the notes for this one is white woods, pine needles, sparkling clementine, spice, clove with essential oils. This is my husband's absolute and total favorite candle. So I got 8 of them today. And I told him that. I'm like, oh, I got 8 of your favorite candles. And he's like, I don't think that's enough. And I'm like, oh, good grief. So I got 8 of these for him, and he still wants more. So if this sale shows up again, which I'm suspecting they're gonna float in these really barn burner candle sales, because they don't want big lineups and their stores crowded for Black Friday and Candle Day, which is like November and the first weekend of December. So they're offering stuff that's very comparable to Candle Day. So I got these guys for $9.80 each with the 20% off coupon. So just follow me here with the math. Grabbing 2 of them, and I'm just gonna use the example of 2. So grabbing 2 of them, the first one is $24.50, subtracting 20% off, so $2.45 comes off. So it shakes it out to $9.80 for each. And I got that, you know, times 5. So this transaction of 10 big candles was $98. I used a $50 IBOTTA Bath and Body Works gift card. Plus, I used 2 $25 Visa gift cards from the Fetch Rewards app. Both of those, no problems, no issues. The cashier just punches in your Visa card number and then the PIN. Boom, it worked perfectly. So I just paid the balance of the tax for this, which was fantastic to get like 10 candles for like next to nothing. So I got 8 winters, and then I got 2 Mary cookies. I thought this would make a really cute Christmas gift for like my in-laws or something like that, or maybe a neighbor. And this one has the scent notes of baked cookies, sparkling sugar crystals, rich vanilla with essential oils. So it's a pretty safe candle, you know, it's nothing too intense, but my husband loves the winter candle, like that is his thing. So, you know, I saved my Ibotta and Fetch Rewards money buying different groceries for the house, and then it finally just paid off to get all of these candles for like, I think I paid like $3.80 out of pocket after everything was said and done. And that's a really smart way, especially if you want to get like candles or something on the cheap to save your different, you know, rebate apps, and then just to pull that money together and to use it for like something like this, and to get 10 candles for like $3.80 after everything's said and done, totally worth it. Make sure to also get the bags and stuff. These are completely for free. Dresses up a gift. And yeah, I'm loving this. So okay guys, so in the future I will be making a video about different sales that will be taking place and what to look out for, and how to utilize the home mailers, how to get the home mailers, and all that good information, because I know a lot of you would like to get like a haul this size for like $4. I mean, that's just totally the way to do it. And that 20% off coupon is absolutely instrumental. So sign you, your mother-in-law, your husband, everybody to try and get at least one in the mail. And I'm so delighted whenever I get them to see this haul for like $3.80. I'm just delighted by that. But of course, I'm using IBOTTA money and some Fetch Rewards gift cards as well to really pay that down. So if you're not with those shopping apps, sign up today. Links in the notes. I mean, it's just terrific. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.